Today, I'm going to show you how to turn just circles into 5 completely different fun characters. And I have a surprise character at the end that's super silly. Circles are the easiest shape to start with, and they can become anything if you use a little imagination. This exercise helps you to recognize shapes in the world while improving confidence and fine motor skills. So watch carefully. First up is a happy little girly character. I start with a circle for her face, then I add in facial features and hair. So that you can see the complete development of the character, I will also draw her body too. Next, let's turn a circle into a silly monster. Monsters can be scary or cute. We're making a friendly one. Here is an easy animal character. I'm going to draw a cute puppy. Notice how the circle becomes the head and the small ears instantly give it personality. But wait until you see the food character that I have coming up. It's adorable. Now, I love turning food into characters because it's silly and fun. Look how one circle turns into a smiling orange. And now for the bonus character, the silly, quirky alien. This is the silliest one yet. I'm going to add his circle head, give those little things that be on top of alien's head right quick, and give him a little cute, chubby, short body, and we're done. Look at that. Look like they all on the same team about to go play a game. You can play around with the size, expression, and color of these characters. And speaking of color, I'm not going to leave you all hanging. So watch me give colors to these characters right quick. All right, everybody. So we are done. Which circle character is your favorite? If you want more fun, quick character drawing ideas, hit subscribe and follow for more. All right, everybody. See you all in the next art tutorial. Bye.